policies is about the less of budgetary supports to the public sector. What? The seventh one is less of budgetary support to the public sector. This is also one of the impact. Okay, so after 1991 the government or the government was over a period of time the government was going to decide to not to give the financial assistance to the public sector. Public sector ge after 1991 ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಗೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿತ್ತು the government ಅನ್ನೋದು, that was stopped by the government so that the public sector itself they want to become as an efficient, and also what are all the resources they require they have to generate themselves. So this is also one of the impact. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ನ ಅವರೇ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅವರೇ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅವರೇ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ government policies towards the business. Okay, this is all about the some of the impact of the government policies in the changing. So ee government policies especially LPG introduce adrinda government andre business ge enella changes aitu annodu, these are all some of the challenges. Okay, and in by this we can conclude that this introduction of LPG which is having the positive impact, which gives the positive impact to the public sector enterprises, because LPG was introduced and also especially they are public sector converted into the private sector alva, so that they gives more importance for the private sector, so that it is positively impact on the businesses. And also if there is in order to meet the competition, so in order to meet the competition the Indian industries are become as more they improve their new strategies, they formulate the new strategies, they develop the business processes and they develop the procedures in order to meet the competitions na meet ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ the Indian companies are uses the more develop the new strategies. This is also like positively impact to the private sector, and also they are going to be mainly focuses on the customer services or the customer focused, because they want to adopt the measures to mainly improve the customer relationship as well as the customer satisfaction. Okay, these are all the things, this is all about the impact of the government policies. Through this your third chapter has been completed. Okay, this is all about your third chapter. In the next class I am going to start the fourth chapter. Okay, and thank you.